Hey, how you going everyone? This is the Slack Mechanic again. What I'm going to talk about today is the other morning when I was leaving for work, right here, came up with a big X and take to dealer signal. So obviously there was a fault. What else was happening was the temperature gauge wasn't working here, but where the digital gauges are, the temperature was working. So I had a feeling it might be the sender, but I waited until 9:30 Thursday night to put the scanner on it and just check, because I was going to change the thermostat and all that sort of stuff, because we've just bought this car about 2-3 weeks ago, and you know, it's got a few issues, but we're sorting them out. And yeah, that was one of them. So what we did, we actually, at first we just cleared the fault, went away for a few, well, probably 6 days it went away, then it came back again. So Thursday night, thought, stuff it, I'll change the sender and the thermostat. Easy job. Anyone can do it. I mean, if you've got some simple tools. Just show you where everything is. Okay, your thermostat is in here. Now what you do is you drain the fluid out of the radiator. Right, it should be the pink or reddy fluid. Right, just 2 bolts, hose, clamp, take that off, pull straight off. No gasket there. This is the old thermostat. It's pretty cruddy, you know, spring's not too good. Okay, so rubber around here was a bit shitty too, so we put a new one in. Alright, then the other thing that was actually causing the problem was the sensor. Now the sensor is right there. Can you see that? There. Right, and it has a little copper washer. This just unclips. It's a 19mm spanner, ring spanner, or you know, you can have the special socket, but a 19mm ring spanner will get that off, no problem. Right, it just unscrews. Make sure you put a some tape around it on the thread. Just replace it, tension it up, plug it back on here. Check the wiring too, just make sure it's, you know, it's nothing broken there. But this one's fine, and we've had no problems since. But this is the one that we pulled out. This is an original Holden. You can tell it's an original Holden because where it plugs into, it's white. It's always white on an original Holden. A non-original can be any colour. It's best to use the original. What I fitted is a non-original. It's a Goss for a 6-litre engine. Okay, that's a part number there. Same as the thermostat. There's a Daco. That's the part number there for 6-litre engine. Okay, it's an easy job. Anyone can do this. It's not rocket science. But you know, you just got to make sure that you when you refill it, that you get all the air bubbles out, and yeah, make sure the code's cleared, and everything's fine. When the actual code came up, the car didn't run any different. It just had that fault of the analog gauge wasn't working, but the digital gauge was. So that was quickly sorted, and also the thermos stayed on full time. Now, you know, back to normal now once all this was done, and it's running fine. So yeah, there you go. Hope this is helpful for someone, but you know, it's not a hard job. Everything's easy to access, you know, tools onto and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have that problem, just fucking make sure it is the correct code. But that warning light is purely just to make you shit yourself and take it to GMH, which really you don't need to do. Alright, so anyway, I'll leave it at that for the moment, and have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, and like. See you later.